Michael.
Oh, hey. Toy boat.
Toy boat.
Toy boat, toy boy. Wow, that was the second one.
Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat, toy boat,
Toy boy, toy. I'm gonna do exactly what you just did. Toy boat, toy boat, toy boy, toy boy, toy boy.
I didn't do that.
Okay,
It's
ready?
on camera.
Okay, ready?
I'm gonna do it with my eyes closed.
Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat, toy boat, toy boy, toy boy, toy, 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 boy, toy, la,
toy boat, toy boat.
Yeah, it's only on you right now, so you only like you.
Yeah.
How's my hair? Yeah.
Pretty bad.
Oh, yeah, you like that. Oh, can you do that? Ooh.
Can you do that?
Can you do that?
Can you do that?
Do it. Ew, nasty.
Don't touch me like that.
So I can like touch you here, 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 and even on your thumb, but I can't touch you right there.
Stop! Don't touch me there.
Stop! In the
Stop.
name of love, before you take my butt.
Before you toy boat.
I just wanna be there for you, and you to be there for me. If you agree to repeat after me, I love you.
I love you, baby. So I just totally like, alright, I can take a hint.
I love you.
Only if you agree to repeat after. Okay.
I love you,
We're not trying to scare us later in 20 years when we watch this. Stop it. Stop it right now. That's the character I've been working on. Look at the camera, real serious and like kind of scary, and then just surprise you with a boat. Hey, can I deliver you a character I've been working on?
No.
Hold on.
No.
It'll only take 2 seconds.
No.
It's the guy.
Shut up.
It's the guy.
No.
It's the guy.
No.
It's the guy.
No. No.
Now, it is the guy who doesn't
No,
know
it's
how.
not.
Stop. It's the guy who doesn't know how to brag.
You don't.
So,
So I was making out with my brother.
So this is a character that I've been working on. I think we're upside down now. Wait, are we? So it's a character I've been working on. It's the guy who does not know how to brag. Okay? Okay. Shh. Yeah. So it's the guy that doesn't know how to brag.
That's not something
Shut
I
up! So yesterday,
Can I see that real quick?
I was right in the middle of it. So
So last
yesterday
night
I'm gonna fucking kill people. So last night I was French.